Oh, the pins are in, looks good.
All right, buddy, what's the next step here?
Rig that 700 up to either end of this track frame, and then we'll loosen off the bolts and then start tugging her out and see if it goes well. It should go pretty well if we have everything rigged up good.
All right, well, that's on you, rigging it up good.
Let's go under in between, see where it picks from. That hook would be better to have the other way, so flip upside down, so then when the weight's on it, it can't fall off.
Gotcha.
Okay, well, let's get the impact out.